Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Firstly, locate recorder app and open it. Then click the red button. Choose allow and tap again to start your recording. You can end it the same way. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wanna rename it, click, hold and choose rename. Enter the name you want and tap OK. If you wanna delete your recording, click it, hold it and tap delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!